This is the box that my hair topper came in. At the back of the box, there are some tips on how to take care of the topper as it's important to wash and dry it just like your own hair. And here's the actual topper. This is the dark brown topper and it's 6 inches. I'll just flip it over so you can see what it looks like underneath. So there is a little sewn on cap in the center that has three little clips. Each clip has some teeth to help grip onto your hair. There are two positioned for the front of your head and the third one to the back. You can open the clips and then place the topper onto your head, then push down on each to close them and secure them onto your head. The topper has a center part, and the part looks extremely realistic as you can see. And the hair is real human hair and is soft to the touch. You can see the hair is nice and healthy. And in case the camera isn't doing justice, the hair does not have that shiny look that most synthetic pieces have. So it really does look very real. And although the piece is dark brown, there is still some subtle highlights, just like your real hair would have if you have been in the sun. The highlights are very subtle though, and this particular one has bangs, but you can also opt for no bangs as well, and they also have different colors and different lengths. And one last thing to note is that since this is real human hair, you can style it using regular hair tools. You'll notice this piece has a bit of wave to it because it has been sitting rolled up in the box, but you can straighten it or even make it curly if you want. And after a few wears, you can shampoo, condition, and dry it as normal.